Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to turn on and off notification setting on TradingView. To turn on and off notification from TradingView, first of all, launch open the TradingView application and log into your account. After you are signed into TradingView app, go ahead and click on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. From the menu option, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu where you need to tap on push notifications. Now, you will be able to see if you have enabled or disabled your notification setting. If you've previously disabled notification, you will be able to see this notifications disabled label. To enable the notification, tap on enable in settings. This will take you to your device's notification setting page where you need to tap on the toggle button right next to allow notifications, and you will then be able to turn on notification setting on your TradingView account. You can go ahead and enable or disable notification for some of these options out here. You can turn on and off notifications for when someone follows you, someone mentions you in an ideas comment, someone comments on your idea, or when a person likes your idea. If you want to turn off any of these settings, you can simply toggle off the button right next to the option. To disable the notification setting, you can go back to the device's setting menu and open up the setting menu and scroll down and tap on notifications. Inside notification, go ahead and select TradingView app from the list. Now, if you want to disable the notification, turn off the button right next to allow notification, and that's how you easily turn on and off notification setting on your TradingView account. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.